Professor Brian Cox has challenged Britain's amateur stargazers to help locate a mysterious planet. Scientists have suggested that a huge ninth planet exists on the outer edges of our solar system. The yet unnamed planet is known only as Planet 9 and could take the name of the person who discovers it. Planet 9 is thought to exist because of gravitational effects that some astronomers say can only explain by a giant planet in our galactic neighborhood. The planet has not been seen yet, but it is thought that it formed around the same time large planets like Jupiter and Saturn did before being ejected into distant space. Planet 9's orbit is further away than Pluto, and it could take up to 20,000 years to rotate around the Sun. Scott S. Shepard, one of the astronomers who first suggested the existence of the planet, said it would resemble a giant frozen snowball. Professor Cox, who is presenting a new series of stargazing live on BBC Two with Dara O'Brien and Liz Bonning next week, said, "We have a suggestion that there's something pretty big out there, a planet-sized object. I was surprised, but we seem to have the data. If it's there, we're confident our viewers will find it. So far, there hasn't been the manpower looking for it. To spot the planet, viewers will be asked to visit a website, zooniverse.org, where they can help search pages of visual data gathered by telescopes." Professor Cox said, "Essentially, we shall be asking people to look for a dot that moves. That may not sound like much, but we are asking them to look at things that have never been seen before." The existence of a supposed ninth planet is not without controversy. While there used to be 9 official planets in our solar system, Pluto was downgraded to a dwarf planet in 2000 by the International Astronomical Union. Professor Cox's dream is that the planet is not only found by a child but is also named after them. He said, "I'd love it if it ended up being called Planet Kevin." While it may sound unlikely that a planet discovered by a citizen scientist could be dubbed something like Kevin, naming celestial objects is the preserve of whoever discovers them, and they have been named after people many times before. Last year 2 volunteer astronomers, Ivan Terentiev and Tim Matorny, were engaged in a similar project when they discovered one of the biggest galaxy clusters ever recorded, which is now named the Matorny-Terentiev cluster. However, the International Astronomical Union has the final say in the matter, and has said it prefers names from Greek or Roman mythology for planets. Suggestions for a name for Planet 9 include Terminus, the Roman god of boundaries. Stargazing Live is on Tuesdays at 8 p.m. on BBC Two, starting next week.